Encountered an MJS file in a Node.js or web project and wondering how it differs from regular JavaScript? This extension marks modern modular code. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with JavaScript ES module files effectively. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn MJS files, you need a software that can work outside the box. A true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. An MJS file is a JavaScript source code file that uses the modern ECMAScript ES module system. Developers use this extension to explicitly signal that the file contains ES modules, enabling features like import and export statements for creating modular code in Node.js or modern web browsers. The MJS file is a plain text file encoded in UTF-8, containing JavaScript code. The MJS extension was introduced to allow JavaScript runtimes, like Node.js, to unambiguously distinguish between scripts using the newer ES module syntax and those using the older CommonJS require syntax. The anticipated software for loading MJS is Node.js, modern web browsers created by Open MJS Foundation. Using a dedicated tool minimizes the security vulnerabilities associated with this format. Windows shows only what the script contains, while the runtime determines how it behaves. Let's check which applications associate the file. Right-click your MJS file and click Open With. Test with Node.js, modern web browsers if available. If not, just choose another program from the installed list and see if it works. If your MJS file isn't cooperating, don't worry. To avoid future errors, let's talk about why the file is stuck. Here's a list of the key technical reasons this MJS format often fails to open. First, opening for editing. Open MJS Files in Visual Studio Code, which provides excellent JavaScript and ES module support, with IntelliSense syntax, highlighting, and import navigation. Other editors like WebStorm, Sublime Text, or Atom also handle MJS files well. Configure the editor to recognize MJS as JavaScript for proper syntax highlighting and code intelligence. Next, running with Node.js. Execute MJS files in Node.js. 12 or later, which natively supports ES modules, using node file name.mjs in your terminal. Configure package JSON with type module to use ES modules in regular JS files. Install Node.js dependencies with npm and import them using ES module syntax for full modern JavaScript development. Finally, bundling for browsers. Use Webpack. Rollup or Vite to bundle MJS files for browser deployment, converting ES modules to compatible browser code. Configure the bundler entry points to your MJS files and let it resolve imports, producing optimized output. Modern browsers also support native ES modules with type module script tags for direct loading. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.